So this has got to be one of the coolest robot lawnmowers I've ever seen. If you had a crazy steep lawn with lots of obstacles, this right here is designed for challenging terrains, from steep hills to uneven ground, with all-terrain wheels, adaptive suspension, plus 3D mapping, and a built-in camera to drive it manually and actually see it. It has GPS tracking, it's waterproof, theft-proof, and you can even create your own patterns and put like logos on your lawn. And did I mention that this thing looks incredible? So let's have a look at the impressive Mammotion Luba Mini and see what it can do.
Mr. Black.
And by the way, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you are new here, you like gadgets and gear, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, the company did send this to me so that I could test it out, play around with all the features, and see how good and life-changing a robot lawnmower of this caliber can be. And with that, I'll put links to all of this stuff down in the description so you can find it down there nice and easily. So out of this big box, you get everything you need to get this thing up and running quickly. Plus, they give you the tools, devices, and charging stations, plus some extra blades. The whole setup is fast. You just lay down the charging pad and you screw it into the ground to hold it in place. Use the cable to connect to the RTK navigation system, which has the antenna and helps communicate with the lawnmower, especially for lawns up to 1,500 meters squared, or just under half an acre. But you can use this without GPS. The UltraSense AI Vision supports mowing up to 300 meters in areas without satellite signal. So maybe if it's under a tree and it loses signal, it'll still navigate itself out of there and then finally connect back to the GPS. You can also set up zones, up to 15 zones. So if you have a big yard or multiple parts of a yard, you can have certain zones and dedicate certain zones at different times, setting it all on a schedule. And a cool part to the system is that they give you mounting brackets to set this up higher on your house if you want to get the best signal. Or you can just put it down next to your charging pad. So the lawnmower will sit at this charging pad and charge up, or if it's out and about, it will actually come back to this point and charge itself. You can get an optional garage roof for this for extra protection from the elements, although it is IPX6 waterproof, so it can stay outside in the rain with no problem. It also does have a little sensor on here to detect when it's raining. So if it is raining on its certain schedule, it won't go out in the rain. It will just wait until it's done. So you power this thing on, you connect it to the app, and with that, you can map out your entire yard, whether it's automatic, you can just let this thing go out and discover it for itself, or you can do it manually and do it like a remote control. It connects with Bluetooth and also with your Wi-Fi, but even 4G, so that way you can stay connected with 4G and you can check the mower status anytime, anywhere. Now, we'll come back to the app later, but a lot of times at this point, people will ask the question, what happens if someone just wants to steal this from your yard? It actually has really good anti-theft protection. For one, it has a geofence alarm, so if somebody takes this thing out of the geofenced area, a very loud alarm will sound. Plus, you'll get a notification on your app. It has GPS on it so you can track it, and even has AirTag compatibility. The Luba Mini itself is one of the coolest designs that I've seen. You add in the UltraSense AI Vision, giving you cameras to view it on the app. And that also helps identify obstacles to avoid, whether it's a shoe, a toy, a pet, or a kid that's in the way. It'll see that and it will immediately move out of the way. And also it will help keep the mower within the designated areas and prevents entry into pathways, flower beds, or any off-limit zones. There is a bumper on the front, which is a nice touch, so when it does run into like a wall or a fence, it'll detect it that way nice and soft without, hitting it too hard. But also that gives a closer cut to the wall where you can actually get 5 centimeters away from the wall. And then check out these wheels. These are all-wheel drive wheels for a 80% incline or 38.6 degree slopes. So very steep. And you can tell with these wheels that they're gonna perform even if it's on slippery grass. And I love how they're like wheels within wheels. So you can turn this thing on a dime, but that also creates a smoother workflow, maximizing efficiency. Underneath, you can see 6 blades, and they are double-edged stainless steel rust-proof blades. They spin around, which is a smart design. So if you hit a rock or a stick, it actually won't damage the blades. It will just spin around. And they can cut even the finest of grass, with a cutting height of 20 millimeters to 100 millimeters. And the cutting motors are 88 watts with high torque, which can handle tall, thick, and wet grass. On the back, there is a replaceable lithium battery, which provides around 3 hours of runtime and can mow up to 324 meters per hour. And then when it's low, it'll just automatically go back to the charging pad, charge itself up, and then go on and continue any tasks that it needs to do. Another question that comes around is what happens to the grass if you need to bag it? You don't need to bag your grass. You actually send this thing out multiple times, either once a day, twice a day, every other day, depending on your needs and how big your lawn is. And you just keep it going and it'll just keep your grass short all the time. That way you don't need to bag your grass. It'll actually like mulch out the fine little particles out into the grass, making it more healthy for your lawn. One of my favorite aspects to this is despite how it looks like a Formula One car, it actually is very quiet. This thing is under 60 decibels, which is the equivalent of like an electric toothbrush. So you don't have to worry about disturbing your neighbors or even just hearing it when you're inside recording videos. So you can set your mowing schedule, and the Luba Mini all-wheel drive will handle your lawn care 24/7, rain or shine, day or night. You can manage all of your zones really easily. It's very intuitive and easy to understand how to work the app. You can also connect it to your Alexa or Google, and you can manage it where you can say, Alexa, mow the lawn, and it'll actually launch this thing out. And here's where you can adjust your cutting heights, so you can just pick which ones you want. Now, one thing I've noticed is that it actually senses the height of the grass. So if you send it out, it's already low enough. It knows that it doesn't need to do that part of the lawn, and it'll just kind of go off and find higher grass. But also you can adjust the speed of it on here too, and you can make it go faster. You can also choose different mowing modes on here. You can have parallel, you can do like a checkerboard or a diamond grid. And there's even more that you could do with the app, but that's the gist of it. Now with my yard, the front yard is very steep. It's really annoying to use a lawnmower on it. So I was kind of curious with a robot lawnmower how good it will do on that steepness. And it did a great job. It performs perfectly. And that's not even the steepest that you can get. You can even get steeper. I just don't have that here. Now, my goal on this channel is not to sell you anything. I just love to see all the new innovative products that come out. I get to play around with them, and this one especially blew me away. If you're someone that can't physically do your lawn, or maybe you don't have the time to do your lawn, or maybe you know someone that has a lawn that they can't do, you can just get something like this, get it all set up very easily, and just let it run its thing. And then the lawn, you don't even have to worry about that anymore. That's just a thing of the past. Or maybe you have an enormous lawn and you don't have the time to put towards that, and you don't want to pay someone else to do it. You could just use this and just let it keep that lawn looking great all the time. And if you want to learn more about it or see some other features, you can check out their website. I'll put that down in the description. Make sure you click on that to see what's going on. Other than that, yeah, thank you so much for watching this. This was a fun video to make, and I love this thing. If you want to see some other cool products that I've looked at on this channel, I'll put a couple of them on the screen so that you can pick one that looks the best for you, and I'll see you there.